Hello everyone, my name is Manish R. I head product communication for ICICI Prudential Asset Management Company Limited, and I've been there with the organization for the last 8 years. So today I'm going to discuss one of our flagship fund, ICICI Prudential Balance Advantage Fund. Let me start with the genesis of this product. So we have done internally a study on various market cycles and how investors behave in that particular market cycle. The conclusion came out of study was that the way investors behave in a particular market cycle, what we expect them to behave, is completely different with actually what they do in the real life. For example, when markets are negative, that means the historical returns are negative, valuations is attractive, that's the time when we expect investors to actually add into equity markets. But what we have observed during the study is that that's the time when investors actually refrain from investing in equity markets because of the negative sentiments. Similarly, when the market is going up, there is a strong bull rally which is happening. That's the time when we expect investors to actually reduce their equity exposure. But what we have observed in the study is that that's the time when investors actually increase their equity exposure. So there is a clear psychological barrier which remains when it comes to investing in equity markets. This is when we decided that we should have one product which can address this psychological barrier and can follow a very simple principle of buying low and selling high. That's when we came up with ICICI Prudential Balance Advantage Fund. Let's understand how ICICI Prudential Balance Advantage Fund actually works. So this fund can have a range of net equity level from 30 to 80. That means this fund is extremely flexible, nimble. Based on the market valuation, it can move between 30 to 80% in net equity level basis. To ascertain the right net equity level, this fund uses an in-house price to book value model. Based on this in-house price to book value model, we gauge whether the market is expensive or the valuations is attractive. Let's suppose if the in-house price to book value model suggests that the market is expensive, the valuations is high, the scheme has the flexibility to reduce its net equity level all the level down to 30%. If the in-house price to book value suggests that the valuation is extremely attractive, the market is good to go ahead, you can buy more into equity, that's the time when this scheme can take its equity exposure all the level to 80%. Hence, this scheme effectively uses the principle of buying low and selling high. What we feel about this product is it's an evergreen product and it takes the pressure out of investors to time the market. That's a big thing when it comes to investment. When it comes to giving a real life example to how this product actually functions, the first thing which comes to my mind is how we use hot and cold water while taking shower. Let's say if it's a summer season, what we do is that we reduce the amount of hot water which we use and we use more of cold water. But let's say if it's a winter season, what we do effectively is that we increase the amount of hot water and reduce the amount of cold water. Similarly, this fund also, when the market is actually expensive, reduces the net equity level, and when the market becomes extremely attractive, it increases the equity level. That's how this fund works and follows the principle which I have already mentioned, buying low and selling high. Thank you and happy investing.
Mutual fund investments are subject to market risk. Read all scheme related documents carefully.